Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Di here from the Messy Palette, and this is our last video, I hope, of this lap book series, the Emerald Romance digital kit by Papier Chic. Okay, so hopefully we'll get this cover done today, and it's alright, the dog's just come in. So I've just glued on these, Molly, sorry about that, just had to put the dog out. She likes to scratch at the door. So I've glued these peacock feathers on, and now we're going to, I took the signatures out, and now we're going to put on this latch. So I just basically laid it where I want it to sit. Took a white Prismacolor pencil and made the marks. Actually need to go up a little bit. Alrighty, took a hole punch, punch the hole through, okay, find the brads. How can one brad disappear? That's ridiculous. Oh, brads. Not those ones. Those ones. Yep. Okay. Let's pop this one through first. Just need to stand up. Goodness me. Have to make a bigger hole. Seems I just bent this one. To get another one out. That one in. That one in. Okay, now the other side. Make the hole bigger. Where's that hole? Can't remember which one I did now. Hold on 1 minute, it's raining. Too late, washing's wet, it's just started raining. Okay, where did that go? I'll glue some paper over that in a moment. Beautiful. Alrighty, let's put the signatures back in. We need some soft paper. What did I do with it? Alrighty. This one I'm going to have to chop off, it's too long. So I've just put a door knocker brad on there to hold the dangle on the spine. I'll show you that in a sec. Well, that was a short and sweet shower. Alrighty. signatures. Scan. And this one in. Sure it's in straight. Sure you're in straight. Okay, signatures are in. Let's cut these off. And put this here. And they're just removable writing spaces. They can just sit in there. Beautiful. Okay, let's do the back first, which we're just going to pop this. I haven't figured out if I just want that on its own or do I want to put... No, I'm just going to leave it on its own. But I'll leave it open so that if you want to stick something in there, you can. Just glue the bottom of it, I think, so it can hold a card or a piece of paper or a tag. I'll pop these in there. Okay, and on the front, so the piece I showed you, the three-dimensional piece, I have glued those two peacock feathers onto the back. I have painted everything but the skin with triple thick, and I am just going to glue it on. Lots of glue. Alrighty, so I just have this chain. I've put a chain dangle with little leaves on it, and I have stuck some little bits of bling onto these feathers and attached them to the chain. So that is going to be our spine dangle, which is removable, except it's too big. Okay, so I need to change the lobster claw to a bigger lobster claw because the ring's too big, but you get the gist. That will dangle down there and back. That'll be on the spine. That's our front. I'm going to have to put something heavy on that to get it to stay. We've got our oh my goodness, words. We've got our closure put on, and that's it. When this is dry, I'll come back and I'll do a flip through video, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.